Hey folks, Mike from Mike's Auto Detailing. We've got a 19 GMC Sierra Denali that we're going to tear apart, do a tear down on it because it was a deer hit, and we're going to repair that vehicle. And you'll see somewhat of a step-by-step on that, but and we're going to do a video along the way as we take it apart and put it together, paint it, and then get it ready for delivery. So you guys hang in there and check it out and come along. Alright guys, we're getting ready to we're actually getting this in ready for paint, probably Monday, but not today. So today we're getting the paint all sanded, and sanded this with 800. This is a foam pad, the 800 foam pad, which I use a lot of. And then I'm going to sand the primer probably with 400 and then 600. And then we'll go around all the edges with a Scotch-Brite, just make sure all the edges have gotten sanded too. They've got a little bit of adhesive to get off the upper part of the doors there as well. So hang in there. Hey folks, here's the final wrap up on this 2019 GMC Sierra Denali. We did a replace grill, grill mounting panel, bumper, and bumper support brackets behind that, headlight, and fog lamp and bezel. This wheel well molding, repaired this fender and repaired this door. Put a new emblem, reinstalled moldings, reinstalled everything. We had it all tore apart, this whole side, and refinished this whole side. This is a pearl white, so it came out really nice, and it's ready for a customer pickup. We'll just do a quick walk around for you, and you'll see. White is always very difficult to show the amount of shine, but this truck is in really good condition, so it's been well kept inside, and now we've got the inside all ready for them too. So they'll be picking it up here in a day or two, and we can move on to the next. But just wanted to show you the final wrap up on this. And there you go. Make sure you like, share, and follow, and all that good stuff. And Mike's Auto Detailing, we are out of here, and we'll be seeing you real soon on other videos. And don't forget our lives that we do most every day. So talk to you soon.